Me can't tell you this, I not care when nobody wants say. My Jamaican woman, me not know about for no other man. But my Jamaican woman is not allowed to have any kind of male friends. No man friend. You understand? The only friend where you supposed to have who is a male is supposed to be your brother or your uncle them. But no man friend. Nobody come tell me about a work friend. Me no want to hear that. Eh? But I just my friend and my high school friend. High school friend, me Ross. You understand me I try to say? No man friend. I'm here your friend. Boy, just wait for me if you slip up so that you can have a shoulder to cry upon. When you want to cry, you call your sister and your mother. As a fan today, no Jamaican woman is allowed to have any man friend. I tell you that. I want to cover up that. But I just my friend. Friend me Ross.
Welcome people, welcome viewers. This is the YIP Verified YouTube channel and it is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. Now, when I just see that video there, I know a whole heap of people are going to vex while a whole heap of people are going to agree. You see, whichever way you stand, leave your comment in the comment section. Agree or disagree, say what you have to say in the comment section. Now, I agree with that brother here to a certain extent. You understand? If me and a girl, a joke on some play thing. If you want to have 10 friends in a business, you understand? Because if I know say I play business, if I find out say that, I not go stay. You understand? I just go joke and move. You understand? I not go joke now and then. Next week I want some joke again, I joke again, and next other week I joke again. No. If me a joke you, I'm going to find out say a bagger man a joke you. I don't want to do this because AIDS are go wrong. You understand? So I not go stay there. So. We can do AIDS test today and tomorrow you catch AIDS from somebody else and we have sex for the rest of the week and the rest of the month while you have it. So I not fuck no woman where I fuck a bagger man. Now, why I say I agree with that brother here? You see if I there with that woman and we committed to each other, I work with what that brother here say. You can't have no man friend. You understand? Co-worker. Somebody where you know from long time, none of them, no matter who them be, not no friend thing. And no par on each other, come at each other yard and them thing there. Keep it mutual. You see my work and that's it. Talk to him just as how you talk to everybody else, briefly. You understand? Talk to him when it's necessary, briefly. And him talk to you at the same time. If I find out say nothing more than that, I go pray you. I not pray him because I don't know a man thing said. I go pray you. And for all that who say, oh, insecurity, you're insecure and this and that. When you're committed to somebody, that's different. But when you're not committed, you do whatever you want, my friend. I nah go boss on a woman and tell a woman say no friend when me and her not committed. If me are committed, we agree upon something. Long as we agree upon it, you can't break the band there, you dig? We gotta agree upon that. We gotta come to not legal terms, not contractual terms, but you know what I mean. Long as we agree upon certain things, long as you're mine, me and yours, we're committed, certain things you can't do. Can't. And if you even hide it from me, I go find out. Remember that. And for all I want to talk about, you're a girl clown now, you go watch a girl and watch your pooms and ray and tell me, I'm saying if we're committed and we agree upon things. You understand? If you don't want to call it watch your pooms, no busy, you don't want to say. You understand? Me have to know what my woman do. Me not go around and peep clock watch my woman and go search for one of them fuck with you. I'm tell a girl think that. But if I see something out of line from the regular, or I see the regular go on same way, but me I pick up something, me I want to know what I go on. Me I go find out. I go find out. And me I go feel better than myself that me know. That me not know. Okay, if me not know, I might kill you. But you see, me know, and I go just play a fool like me not know. And just work along until me ready for move. I move. I probably move same time for me find out. Depends because you know woman can come into and she make a mistake. That's a total difference. So when she make a mistake, she sleep or whatever. I don't know, something she do every week or every day or every month. I just want to look one time, then go happen. In a certain circumstances, you can see with it and if you're willing to, you understand, work it out for the pure fact that a mistake because if you thought one a mistake, but mistake do things do happen. But the main reason why them happen because people put themselves in the position. So you avoid them friends, them are going to itch up round, so no mistake you make. No friend business with them people about friend, best friend and bestie and this. When you itch up round any little thing as the man say, as you and them in an argument, I best in them belly. And don't get me wrong, woman fuck whosoever them want. Me not gonna stop a woman from fuck whosoever she want, but remember what me say, from we come to agreement, from we committed to each other, we agree upon things. And earlier I say I might kill her. I mean say I gonna kill no woman, brother. You understand? Might kill her mean say I plan to kill a woman if I find out say I do nothing. But me I say it's possible. You understand? We are human being, people can snap at any time. If you with a woman for 5 years, and when 5 years come here and find out say 3 out of the 5, man, you don't know say they are joking every night and every day, this and that, and you just find out about that. Them things they can lick people chip. You understand? We are humans. I mean, I say I have intention to do them something there. But me I say things do happen and lick people chip. Why you say people because suicide and a lot of things. Kill other people. You understand? So you better me know from it start and just play a fool. Better me know from start and play a fool. And for all of us say, oh brother, I bet you don't know none way and tell you, brother, I want to know, brother. I want to know what kind of woman you be. That is the main reason why I want to know. I want to know where to put you, which level to put you. You understand? Because your actions determine your value. If you're a fucky, brother, you're a whore, my friend. Catty, you're a whore if you're a fucky, you understand? If a one man you're a fuck, yeah, you're not a whore, my friend. And fucking one man no mean so now wife. No for no wife. I'm not ready for that yet. I don't know what wife mean. What a wife supposed to do. What is a wife job? But me nah bash no woman, you understand? Because we love the girl them and them fat, tight, pum. You understand? But leave in the comment section and make me know what you think about what the man say. And also about what me say. You understand? Remember, this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. Remember that. Big up on yourself.